Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to access TikTok screen time management. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy page, scroll a bit downwards and tap on Screen Time. And now you're on the Screen Time Management page. So that is how you access TikTok Screen Time Management. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.